What if you could see exactly where the real money is sitting in the market before price actually moves? And what if most traders don't lose because their strategy is bad, but because they are trading completely blind? Why you should care? This is not hype. This is not another holy grail tool. This is about market transparency. In this video, I'll give you a clear and honest Bookmap review, no exaggeration and no empty promises. You'll understand what Bookmap really shows, how professional traders actually use it, who should use it, who should stay away, and how you can test it yourself before committing serious money. Stay until the end because one misunderstanding about Bookmap causes traders to misuse it and lose money faster. What is Bookmap? Bookmap is a professional order flow and market depth visualization platform. Instead of only showing past price like traditional candlestick charts, Bookmap shows liquidity, order flow, and volume in real time. You no longer guess where support or resistance might be. You actually see where large orders are sitting and how price reacts to real liquidity. This alone changes how you read the market. How Bookmap works, the core idea: Bookmap translates the order book into a heat map. Bright areas represent high liquidity, while dark areas show low liquidity. As price moves, you watch orders appear, disappear, and get executed in real time. At the same time, volume activity reveals aggressive buying and selling. This lets you understand market intent, not just price movement. Why this matters more than you think. Traditional charts only show what already happened. Bookmap shows what is happening right now and where price is likely to react next. You see liquidity walls before price reaches them, trap zones before reversals, and the real reason price suddenly accelerates or stalls. This is why so many professional scalpers and day traders rely on order flow tools. Why traders use Bookmap? The real benefit is not placing more trades, but making better decisions. Bookmap helps traders avoid bad entries, wait instead of reacting emotionally, and understand when not to trade. For many traders, this alone improves performance without changing their strategy. The warning most people ignore. Now let's be honest. Bookmap is not beginner-friendly. There is a learning curve and the data can feel overwhelming at first. Advanced features and real-time market data also come with additional cost. Bookmap does not tell you when to buy or sell, and it does not replace a trading strategy. If you expect instant profits just by installing it, you will be disappointed. Bookmap rewards understanding, not impatience. Who Bookmap is really for? Bookmap is ideal for short-term traders, especially day traders and scalpers who care about liquidity and order flow. It is especially powerful for futures and crypto traders who want deeper market insight. Bookmap is not designed for long-term investors or traders who prefer simple chart-only analysis. If you are not willing to learn how markets function beneath the surface, this tool is not for you. How successful traders actually use Bookmap. Successful traders don't stare at Bookmap all day. They mark key liquidity zones and wait for price reactions. They combine Bookmap insights with strict risk management instead of trading every movement. Most of them practice using replay and historical data before trading real capital. Bookmap works best when it supports discipline, not impulsive behavior. The question everyone asks: welcome bonus? Bookmap does not offer a traditional cash welcome bonus. However, new users can usually start with a free or basic version to explore the platform and learn how it works. From time to time, there may be trials or promotional offers depending on current campaigns. Because pricing and access conditions can change, you should always check the latest offer through the official registration link. Why waiting is a cost? Market data tools evolve, pricing changes, and access conditions change. Waiting does not make order flow trading easier. It only delays your learning curve. Every session you trade without understanding liquidity is a missed opportunity to improve. The sooner you understand how price interacts with liquidity, the clearer your trading decisions become. If you are serious about upgrading your trading analysis, click the registration link below this video. That link takes you directly to Bookmap's official page where you can check the current free plan, trial, or available offers. Explore it, study it, and decide based on experience, not opinions. The link is waiting for you below. Bookmap is not a magic tool, but it is a powerful one. In the right hands, it reveals market behavior that most traders never see. When used correctly, Bookmap helps you avoid bad trades and understand why price behaves the way it does. Education, patience, and discipline make the difference. If this review helped you, like the video and subscribe for more honest trading content. Leave a comment if you want a deeper walkthrough or real trading examples using Bookmap. And when you're ready, the registration link is right below. Thanks for listening.